Hi, my name is Carly and I'm with the BYU Software Training Lab. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Envelope Distort. There are two different ways that we'll use Envelope Distort. You can go to Object, Envelope Distort, Make with Warp, or Object, Envelope Distort, Make with Top Object. First, I'll show Make with Warp. I have this text here that I've already written, and to use Envelope Distort, I'll just make sure I have the word I want to warp selected. Now when I go to Object, Make with Warp, I have a lot of different options to warp my text. For example, I could use Arc Upper. Now I have a window that allows me to make very specific changes to the warp. Make sure you have the preview box checked to see what the changes you make will do to your text. Once I decide I have my text the way I want it, I hit OK. If you double-click your text, you'll be able to edit it, and it will still be warped. That is how to use Envelope Distort, Make with Warp. I'll also show you how to do Envelope Distort, Make with Top Object. For this, I'll need to make a shape. I'll create a circle using the Ellipse tool, and then I'm going to cut the circle using the Knife tool. To use the Knife tool, I'll just select the shape and then draw along the path I want to cut. Now my circle is two separate shapes. I will also make sure the shapes are on top of my text in the Layers panel. Now I will select the word and the shape I want to use and go to Object, Envelope Distort, Make with Top Object. Now my text is warped to fit within the bounds of the shape. You can also go in and edit your text after the fact. That is how to use Envelope Distort. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in learning more, visit our YouTube page where you can find more videos about Illustrator as well as other software programs.